Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ULEFONE Armor X12 and let me share with you how to change the system language on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down in order to find the system. Then let's tap on languages and input, misclick, and tap on languages at the top. Now we have to tap on add a language, and here we've been transferred to the full list of available languages from which we can choose. So basically all you have to do is to find yours and then tap on it to apply it. So let me pick maybe this one. Just tap on the specific language and then tap on the region if you can choose it. And as you can see, the language has been immediately applied to the list, but the English is still a main one. So all you have to do is to reorder the languages, so tap on it and hold it and drag it to the first position. And from now on, your device will display everything in the chosen language. Let me do it again, tap on it and hold it and drag it to the first position. So to remove the languages, just tap on the 3-dot icon in the right upper corner and tap on remove. Hello. Tap on remove. Okay, now we can mark the language which we wish to delete and tap on the trash bin icon. Tap on remove and you've got only one language applied. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.